Hello everyone, today I am going to implement a touch controlled input system for the side scroller game we were working before. And yeah, with the right thumbstick we can control the projectile, and the left thumbstick we can control the character movement, and also with the single touch anywhere on the screen we can jump. So yeah, these are the controls I'm going to implement today, and it will support any mobile device. This episode is sponsored by this generous patron. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, so this is what we have so far. We can shoot balls, and yeah, this is pretty much all we can do here. So yeah, let's try building this to a mobile device and see how to enable mobile inputs. Okay, right now in the project settings under Android, let's configure this project for Android platform. So if you don't remember, if you haven't already set up your project for Android, if you haven't already set up Android SDK, I have done a separate video on that here. Unreal Engine Android development setup. I did this in July 27th, so you can watch this video if you need any help with setting up the Android platform. So yeah, let's press configure now, and what's the build folder? Okay, I'll put this as code like me. Alright, now under input, alright, we have this option, well, left virtual joystick only. So actually I need the left virtual joystick to control the movement, and another joystick to control the throwing projectiles. But let's just see how it works with the default settings. Okay, do we have, yeah, let's open this and see what are the input options we have. Under controls we have left thumbstick x-axis. So right, I already have left thumbstick x-axis for the move right option, so this should automatically work. Right, let's see. Now to launch, let's select this and wait for the project to build. I'm not sure how long it would take, as this is the first time I am building this project. So I'll pause recording. Right, it worked in the mobile device, but I can't show it, so therefore I'll show how it looks in the mobile device using this mobile preview. So okay, Right, here is the mobile preview, and the shaders are compiling, that's why it still looks with the default textures. So okay, I can move with this thumbstick, and if I click here I can jump. So kind of hard to control with the mouse because I can't use the movement and the jump in same time. Okay, right, so now the next thing I want to do is a way to shoot the projectiles. So for that, maybe we can have another thumbstick. Right, so here we have this left virtual joystick only setup. So instead of that, I'll select this default virtual joystick. This has both controls in both sides. So I'll select that, and let's see how it looks now. Right, now it has two joysticks. One is I have already mapped to control the movement, and this one I think I can use it to control the projectile. So how to do that? Okay, this is virtual joystick. Let's see, this one is the right thumbstick, and it is mapped to gamepad right thumbstick x-axis and y-axis. Right, so here let's open this character blueprint. I want to take a look at how do I control the projectile. Yeah, like this with this fire action. So I control, oh wait, here is the trajectory, and I control the trajectory with what? This up down? Yes, through this up down axis. So let's see what we have for the up down axis. Yeah, only mouse Y. Okay, here first I'll add gamepad right thumbstick y-axis. But wait, we can actually use the same left thumbstick y-axis to control that too. So why don't we try that? Left thumbstick y-axis. Okay, so let's try to customize to have another button to initiate firing mechanism that we have here. This firing action, instead of left mouse button we need some button on the UI. So again I'm gonna use this left virtual joystick only. Let's duplicate this left virtual joystick plus fire button, and I'll assign that one. Let me close other stuff. Okay, now I'll add another element here, where this is just a button. So yeah, can we use let's use this image 1, image 2. What is that? This is less transparent. Okay, so it's like active and inactive, I guess. So I'll use this button for the first, and this button for the second, and the location. So actually I'm not sure. This one I'll as mouse, left mouse button. Alternative, I don't think I need one. Thumb size, visual size, I'll copy this. Center also, I'll copy this previous value. Thumb size and interaction size. Okay, let's copy the thumb size. For stick size of the thumb is interaction size. Okay, let's use the same. And see how it looks, and then we can change these properties and see what to do. So the center point of the, okay, 135 x, 135 y. So I think this is the screen center point of the control in the screen. So let's try something like 435 here. Right, here is the result. Okay, so we can use this like this. Oh, right. Let me actually we can do this with with 2 joysticks easily. I'll delete this one, and let's duplicate the first one. So instead of 135, I'll put 835, and this I'll map to first one. I'll map to the mouse, left mouse button, and this one I'll map to up down. So up down is here. Right, it is already configured. Okay, now let's see how it works. Right, okay, it is not working as I expected, but it is kind of working. So we will have to Yeah, we can work on this. Okay, we will have to modify this. Right, so here instead of adding to the z velocity, what if we print the value we receive here, so that we will have a better understanding on what's going on. Okay, it's positive. It varies between +2, +1 and -1. Right, so now then instead of this using it as addition, I'm gonna change it to something like this. Get the value. So let's define is set velocity like this. Let me collapse this. Get the axis value, multiply it by let's say 10 and connect. Right, now that's going to be the z velocity. Okay, let's play and see how it works. Cool, it works. Now I can actually control the projectile. Okay, and I'm not really using this x-axis of the second thumbstick, only the y-axis. Alright, so I'll disable this print. We don't need that anymore. And so I don't really use the y-axis, x-axis in the second joystick. So what happens if I make this interaction size x to 0? Oh wait, it was before 256. Let's check. So I'm looking for a way to clamp the x moment of the joysticks. So in some way. Oh, looks like that didn't do the trick. Okay, set it back to 256 and x. Let's try changing this to 0. No, that also didn't do the trick. Alright, so I'll set it back to 1. Okay, actually I couldn't find the option for that. So but here is the final preview. We can move the character like this and jump and control the projectile path like this, and once I release, the character will throw the projectile. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop this episode at this point, and the project files will be available through Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.